Hey everybody, it's Sunday morning, going for a little ride. I left Kari in the dust. She has to wait for the stop sign. A little signal to change, so we're going to watch her try to make her way across the crosswalk as gracefully as she can. There she is, way over there. Right over to Kari. Oh, look at that. She's pedaling.
That's not very nice.
You suck.
Poop on you.
Hey, we're down in the park now. We're waiting for Kari to catch up. Here she comes. She went off the edge. She's silly. That kid, I can't take her anywhere. Too high. Alright, we're done riding. Came over to Mom and Dad's house. They're in the midst of a kitchen remodel. There's the lights me and Dad put up. His cabinets that aren't in yet. Him and Willie are out in the garage. They're putting the faces on the cabinets. There's their flooring. There is our concrete floor. Wood tiles are gone. People that know this kitchen will remember the wood tiles. They've been here forever. See? Fun.
Oh, don't even.
Hello.
Go away.
I'm gonna zoom in on you.
Hello, Kari.
Hello. You can hide all day. It's a video camera. It's just gonna make you look like a retard. Oh, look at that. Hey, dogs.
You know, every day I get up, I fix my face, get up and I get dressed. Every day. Today being Sunday and having half a month.
Hi. Ride with Tony.
A little slow.
I'm slow.
Cutting your head off. Yeah, reach over and touch that far button.
Which one, this one?
No, the other one. Yep. Look at that. The doggies.
That's cool.
That's Kari. Yeah, get it. Yeah. Alright. Don't forget to swallow. Ooh.
What did he look like on the back? All black. This is what he looked like on his tongue.
Wow.
Yeah. He didn't move the whole time I was there.
Oh,
That's what the bottom of it looks like.
wow.
That's the orange one. I like him too.
That's a neat one. I love it with the blue flowers there.
I love him. I want him flying.
Ooh, that's pretty, isn't it?
That's my favorite one.
Yeah, it's really pretty.
Yeah, cute with him.
That's really pretty.
Yeah, he's pretty.
He's fixing
Yeah,
it.
did you see that?
I think
Yeah,
that.
so he's
Yeah.
good.
Yeah. I walked out and he was doing that.
I have a good picture of you, Crystal, on top of that one building.
What building?
Jeez, Sydney, you're
Isn't
so
that
spoiled.
creepy, that
Yeah.
guy? Isn't he
She is a
creeped out?
spoiled puppy.
What?
Holy crud.
You see him?
That guy back there?
Yeah.
What was he doing back there?
That's that guy that's a mannequin.
Yeah, with a mannequin. Oh, is it really? I didn't go in there. I didn't see him before.
It was freaky when you first walked
Yeah.
in.
Even when you're looking at the pictures, it's kind of, he's